What's up guys? So I'm here in Union Square today because Adidas brought me out for this crazy event where they're actually giving away pairs of Ultra Boost, and not only are they giving pairs away, but Action Bronson's giving them out. It's gonna be insane. I'm super excited about it. But I mean, already, even though the event hasn't technically been announced yet, there's a crazy line, and I think people don't even really know exactly what's happening yet. Huge thank you to Adidas for having me out. This is a crazy experience. Also, I took a shower this morning and it looks like that's sort of all worn off now because of the heat.
Let's go.
My card.
I can't fucking read that. I don't have my glasses.
So guys, the event turned out really great. They're actually heading on to the next location, which I believe is in Soho. So I just got back from the Adidas event. Huge thank you to Adidas for having me out. Huge thank you to Action Bronson for just being Action Bronson. He's an awesome guy. That was like surreal, to be honest. But they also gave me this really cool package, which I'm really excited about. So this right here was the pack that Action was giving out. As you guys can see, it comes in this really nice Adidas Loves New York tote bag. On the other side, we've got this Ultra Boost, Ultra Boost, Ultra Boost text, which is similar to, you know, those like takeout bags or thank you bags. It's like, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's how I say it. But of course, Action wasn't just giving out tote bags, he was also giving out shoes, and we've got a whole goodie bag of stuff that I haven't actually looked through yet, so why don't we open it up together? So I guess in a way, this is almost a mystery unbagging, which is always exciting. So starting things off, let's open this guy up and see what we've got. It looks like the first thing is a t-shirt. Very cool. Let's move this guy out of the way. So on the front side, we've got the Adidas Loves New York logo, right there over the chest, over the heart. Makes sense, very fitting. And then on the back, we've got the Ultra Boost, Ultra Boost, Ultra Boost, Ultra Boost, Ultra Boost text. I really need to stop doing that. I don't know why I'm doing it. It's bold, you know? It makes me want to say it louder. Not a good reason. And then it looks like on the right sleeve, we've actually got an Adidas 3 stripes logo. Very cool. Long sleeve tees are great for the fall. I look forward to the days that I can actually wear this shirt without sweating all the way through it, because guys, this heat has been unbearable. I can't believe it. Like, it's the last 2 or 3 weeks have been nuts. As for the jacket I'm wearing right now, my apartment for once is actually freezing cold and I can't warm it up at all, which is like totally ridiculous. You know what? Actually, this is the perfect time to rock this shirt. And we're back. So now, digging back into the bag, we've got, what is this? Is this actually coffee beans? So you guys may recognize this design. It's very New York. Adidas also added their own touch on the side. It says, "We are happy to boost you." And then you've got this this Greek runner in Adidas. Looks like Adidas. Well, those aren't any Adidas shoes that I know of, but you know what? In Greece, it was probably some older tech they were working with. So, actually, did you guys see that video about the ice person that they found from like thousands of years ago who looked like they were wearing a shoe that had the Adidas 3 stripes? That was nuts. Adidas. What are you guys hiding from us? Why don't we open this tin up and see if we've actually got coffee beans, because I am actually running low on beans, so that would be perfect. That's, yep, literally coffee beans. Nice. Woo, these actually smell really nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this lid back on before I do any more stupid shit. Ah! Okay, so getting back into the unboxing, let me just make sure there's no more coffee beans. You know what, there's a bunch on the floor, so I'll clean that up after the video. I'm not gonna deal with it now, it's just not worth it. We've got one last thing in the box, which I'm assuming is the shoes. I would hope is the shoes. Let's find out. It looks like it's the shoes, but it also looks like it comes in this really cool takeout packaging. That's awesome. On the front, you've got your Adidas Loves NYC text. Same thing on the back. The moment of truth has arrived, here we go. Nice. Are these multicolored? When I saw pictures of these on Action's story, I thought these were just black and white, but seeing them in person, these are multicolored. These are actually really clean. What else do we have in the box? We've got some stickers. Adidas Loves NYC. We've got Ultra Boost, Ultra Boost. I'm not gonna do it again, but we've got this sticker. And then another version of this sticker, except in red. Very cool. So these, of course, are the shoes, and in addition to these being given out for free at the event, they actually also have some exclusive touches that won't be available on the retail pairs. So obviously you've got the box, which only came from this event, and then probably the most noticeable touch, you've got this little gold accent right here on the bottom of the laces. This little gold accent also has the Adidas Loves NYC logo printed onto it as well, which is pretty cool. In addition to that, guys, the shoe is actually really clean. I really like the way it looks. I really like how the upper is primarily black. As someone who spends hours of the day walking around the city, having a shoe that doesn't easily show dirt is super, super important. And what I love about this is that it's still definitely a darker shoe, but it still has that pop with that multicolor accent. It still makes you sort of have this unique look on your feet, which I think is awesome. So the inspiration behind these shoes was NYC bodegas, and that makes a lot of sense because you've got a lot of the same colors in the multicolor upper that you would see in a bodega. You've got pinks and blues and yellows from the magazine racks. You've got some greens and some other sort of purples in there from that drink section, which was always my favorite section. I always go over and grab like some Arizona iced teas or, you know, some 40s if it's Saturday. But overall, these are a really nicely done pair of sneakers. Like I said, I love the black accents. I like how the outsole is black as well, continental rubber, of course. I still can't believe that they were giving these shoes out for free. That's kind of nuts to me. And also the fact that Action Bronson was giving them out, again, super nuts. But if you weren't able to make it to the event and you want to show off your NYC pride, or you just like this multicolor shoe, which is totally understandable, these guys drop on September 4th for 180 bucks at adidas.com and some other Adidas retailers. But you guys know me, I do a lot of sneaker reviews, so of course tomorrow there will be a full sneaker review and on foot of these guys because these guys are clean as hell. I really like the way they look. The Ultra Boost is like my favorite silhouette. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know that. It's super comfortable. I love the way it looks. And just the fact that this is such a clean but still unique colorway really caught my attention. I dig it. So once again, huge shout out to Adidas. Huge shout out to Action Bronson. I'm gonna leave a picture on the screen right now of the most awkward moment of the interview. Probably shouldn't have put that out there. I was editing the video and I paused it. And I was like, what the hell was I thinking at this exact moment? So that's a moment in front of one of my heroes that I'll never forget, which is great. But you know, still a great experience. Once again, the review for these guys will be dropping tomorrow. If it's already past tomorrow, I'll leave a link to the review in the description below so you guys can go right to it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the love and support that you guys have been showing me. It's been unbelievably incredible. And if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be getting opportunities like this. I wouldn't be able to bring you guys content like this, so I'm extremely grateful and I can't thank you guys enough. But with all that being said, make sure to subscribe down below. If you haven't yet, give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at RealSethFowler. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.